Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and we're continuing our discussion on how to grow your online business using YouTube live stream video. And what we're going to focus on today is how to broadcast a webinar using YouTube Live. But before we get into that, let's do a quick recap of what we've learned so far. First, we learned why YouTube live streaming is one of the most popular ways and fastest ways to build a highly engaged audience who will buy from you. The requirements to use YouTube live streaming, they're not all that difficult to achieve. 3 ways to create a YouTube live stream: best practices, ways to monetize your YouTube lives, best hardware and software, and how to grow your YouTube audience. What we're going to learn today is how to broadcast a webinar using YouTube Live. Now, as always, the key to online marketing, and especially to be very successful with doing YouTube Lives, is you need to understand and commit this formula to memory, which is you need to build an audience and engage your audience before you can sell to your audience. Too often, people go right for the selling, and it turns a lot of people off on YouTube, and that's why you don't get a lot of views, you don't get a lot of engagement, you don't get a lot of comments. You see, what people do when they go on YouTube, they don't go on there to watch commercials. They go there to be entertained, or they're looking to be educated. They want to learn how to do something that solves a problem that they have. So if you can create a video that is going to be highly entertaining and educational, selling becomes a natural byproduct. And one of the easiest ways to really grow your business is webinars. And why is that? There are 3 key reasons. First, it is scheduled events get more attention and trigger commitment. Okay, now think about this. If you were to be invited to a friend's party, and let's say they sent you a formal invitation and you sent an RSVP, what would you do? You would go and put it on your calendar and you would make sure you attended, versus someone maybe just calling you on the phone and said, hey, come on over. When you're looking at a webinar, when people go and register, they have to put in their information and then they get a confirmation link. So people have to, schedule to attend this. And not only that, when people register for a webinar, they also have, it comes with the webinar scheduling software, allows you to set reminders that can go to your phone via text message or on your email calendar software, so people go, okay? What this type of webinars are, they are not interruption marketing, and that is if you're scrolling through your news feeds and you see like a video or you see an image that stops you in your tracks. This is a planned event, and when people plan something, they are going to show up. The second thing is that a webinar gives you is that it gives you immediate authority and trust. You see, people do business with those who they know, like, and trust. And what a webinar allows you to do, it allows you to use it as a teaching platform where you can give a lot of value, teach people how to solve a problem that they have, and then at the end, if they want to dive in deeper, then you can expose them to your product or service. The other part, and the final part, is it causes your income to spike, because you can do high ticket items. Okay, items that are $297 or more. Okay, and here's why: is that you're giving them a lot of value and a lot of time. And if people see that you are giving them the value, and they see that you are giving them something of high premium and quality, they will pay. People will pay a price for premium. Now think about this. If you could do a live webinar, you could easily sponsor 12 to 18 reps into your opportunity each month. What would that do for your business? That's what a lot of top earners do. Or you could earn $2,000 to $4,000 in commissions just by promoting high-ticket affiliate products, doing just a simple 60 to 90-minute presentation. So does this get you excited? Now, if you want to learn really how to structure a webinar that can get you to enroll 12 to 18 reps per month or earning those $2,000 to $4,000 in commissions, there's a way you need to structure that webinar. And I have a training that you can go and check out. This is a course. It is on all webinar marketing and really how to structure everything from the time you promote it, the type of emails to write, how to structure the webinar, when do you put in your call to actions for sales, how to craft your offer so that when you do your webinar, people are going to want to buy from you. So to get more about this course, all you need to do is go to www.drlisamthompson.com/webinar sales magic. That's www.drlisamthompson.com/webinars sales magic. Now the requirements to do a webinar via YouTube Live, it's just real simple. You need a YouTube account and you need an autoresponder, and that's a service that when you're going to be doing a YouTube Live, you're going to want to have like lead capture page software where you want people to register for your YouTube Live. And in doing so, what that will do is you will have the opportunity to follow up with them and let them know when you're going live, and you can give them updates and everything. So those are just really the two big requirements. So first thing you need to do when you create your YouTube Live event is first, you got to go to your channel on YouTube and click on Video Manager. Then you're going to click on the live streaming option on the side and choose events. You're then going to create the event. Then you're going to give your webinar title and schedule it. This won't be public, so don't worry about it. This is very important. You need to make sure that this is unlisted, so only your registered attendees will see it. And this is especially true if you are doing a webinar where you're going to be offering products and services. And then finally, you're going to create the event. Okay, so let's look at this. So if we're going back into our Creator Studio, you can see here, here's the events. Then you're going to fill in all the information here. You may put in your title, the time you're going to do the webinar, the description, put in your tags, and then you will, so if you are going to be scheduling this as a planned event, you're going to click Go Live Now, and then what happens is once you schedule that event, it's going to show up right here. And it's going to, here, this is just an example where it just says test, but now you can see the start time, okay, when you've scheduled it. So this is where any planned webinars are going to go right here, so you know when your events are going to be. Okay? Now, I'm just going to show you really quickly here, is when people will click on the link to check out your live stream, and if it's not ready yet, they're checking it out ahead of time, they're going to come to a screen like this, and it will give them the time and what time it's going to, how many, the countdown clock, if you will. Okay, so then people will know when that live stream is going to begin. If you click here, okay, this is the live control room. What that will do, this is going to give you the analysis, okay, of what is going on with your live stream. And you can check on that to see how much engagement you are getting with your live stream. So that's just another cool feature to help you to create better webinars, so you can track and see where people are commenting the most, and if that engagement is leading to sales. Then when it comes time to doing your webinar via YouTube Live, all you're going to do is come up to where the events is, and then you're going to click on Start Hangout on Air. And when you do that, there's going to be something that's going to happen. Once you click on that, you're going to come to this screen, and then that's going to show you when you are going live. And when you're live, you're going to see this is going to turn yellow, and it's going to say that you are on the air. And then you just do your live stream. So that is how simple this is to really getting your webinar live on YouTube. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share, and make sure you stay tuned in for part 8 as we break down how to plan your YouTube live content. So this is going to be real exciting. If you want to be making consistent YouTube live videos, you want to make sure you're going to be creating the right content that people are going to want to come back for. So to make sure you stay tuned for part 8, if you haven't done so already, click on the subscribe button you see in the lower right hand corner of your screen. That way you will get notified when part 8 goes live. Now, before you leave, I have more free YouTube training for you. My good friend Mark Harbert did a free video masterclass where he's really going to show you how to leverage video, how to structure these videos so that you can build a highly engaged following and get leads for your business and get more cash into your pocket. And just for registering, he's going to give you a free PDF guide of 101 hot video ideas so you never ever wonder about what to make a video about again. Normally he sells that for $97. He's giving it to you absolutely free when you register for the class. So go over to www.drlisamthompson.com/video system, get registered, and you're going to learn a lot from Mark so that you can really grow your YouTube live audience. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.